Yeah, me and my brother Matt, we've been sampling the Dewey Mountain Trails here for a little bit, and they're pretty awesome. They're really well marked and tons of flow. Like, there's a bit of climbing, but just the right amount of climbing to where, like, there's always a trail off to the right to just descend down on right back to the parking lot you came in on. Really, really good stuff. Like rock rolls, some North Shore, like skinny stuff. Really good variety of trails here at Dewey Mountain. Luke Rock holes. Potholes.
Did it.
Nice!
Emotional connection, trying to understand the feel, your indirect rejection. I can't even take what's this emotional connection, trying to understand the feel, your indirect rejection. I can't even take, I can't even take.
Now this is fun. Hit a gnarly trail.
I knew I blew my tubeless out in my front, but once I put the tube in for the front, I realized my hanger on my derailleur snapped. So I'm just trying to tie my derailleur back somehow.
With shoelace.
I don't have a zip tie. Oh. We'll let you know if this gets us back.
Emergency trail riding. You're not a trail junkie unless you know your way around a shoelace.